Wonderful. Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a 24-hour room transformation video. So the last one that I did was when I painted my bedroom black. I link that video and my other room transformation videos in the description box below. But today we're going to be transforming the living room in my studio. So it's been a while since I've done it up and I'm kind of bored of my space. I want to feel inspired. I want to have a new space to film in. So this is why we're doing the 24-hour room transformation. Now, step one obviously has to be cleaning because the living room is a mess and I can't start redecorating without cleaning it, right? So today I'm going to be cleaning it and then tomorrow is when I'm going to be doing my transformation. So let's get started. Good morning guys, so welcome to the next day. Today is the day that we're going to be bringing everything together and I'm just going to be quickly doing my skincare, getting ready for the day, and while I do that I'm going to kind of talk you through the mood board that I have in mind, kind of like the inspo that I'm going to go off of. So I've already cleansed my face using the Earth Rhythm Bisabol and Centella foaming cleanser. So this cleanses your skin and also it helps restore your skin's moisture. Now Bisabol has skin healing properties, so it helps the skin to absorb other ingredients better. My skin feels so fresh and so bouncy. I'm gonna top it off with a face mask and I have a really fun face mask for you guys. So this is the Earth Rhythm Superfood face mask. Now this has blue spirulina in it. Look at the color, how beautiful is it? And blue spirulina is a superfood, so it really helps you detoxify your skin. So by the end of this, your skin is going to feel super firm and toned, but at the same time it's going to be very hydrated and it's going to feel super fresh. By the way, this is also supposed to reduce signs of aging. I like to leave this on for like 10 to 15 minutes and then I rinse it off. Face mask is on. I love the color of this face mask. I feel like it just makes the whole process of like self-care and face masking a lot more fun. Now I like to leave this on for like 10 to 15 minutes before I wash it off. I'm back and my skin feels amazing. I love this clay mask. It just works so well for my skin. Last thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this mist right here. So this is the Earth Rhythms Lavender and Vetiver Balancing and Clarifying Mist. I really like to use this before I do my makeup because it cools my skin down. It also hydrates my skin and most importantly, it really tightens my pores. This is such a calming feeling. I think it's mainly because it has lavender extracts in it and lavender is known to like enhance your mood and really relax and soothe you. It gives me all the spa vibes. By the way, sometimes I'll use this even as like a pillow mist like before I go to sleep because the smell of lavender again like really puts you to sleep. It's very calming, so you can try that out as well. By the way, the Earth Rhythm also has a lip and cheek tint which consists of 100% natural ingredients. So it has pomegranate flower extract, jojoba oil and grapeseed extracts. So on the lips it's very hydrating and on the cheeks it gives a very beautiful flush. So it has a very water-like texture, so you can really build up the product or you can make it look super natural. Okay, so I'm done with my skincare and all the products that I use today are from Earth Rhythm. Now Earth Rhythm offers clean and clinically effective skincare and hair care products. Other than that, they are also plastic neutral, which means that they recycle as much plastic that they use in their operations. So in case you guys are interested in checking out these products, you can use my code MRIDUL5 to get an additional 5% off on their website. They already do have a sale that is going on right now. Other than that, you can also find these products on Nykaa and Amazon. All the links will be mentioned in the description box. My skin and my body both feel hydrated. Now I can just sit and chat with you guys regarding the plan of action. Okay, so with this transformation, I want to do two things. The first one being that I want to make everything a lot more practical. So I want to make everything very convenient for me in terms of like placement of the furniture, ताकि मेरे लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा easy हो काम करने के लिए. You'll know what I mean exactly by the end of the video. It's very difficult to explain it right now for whatever reason. So that's one thing that I want to achieve. The second one is obviously I want to make it super cute and I want like a change. I'm seeking change at this point because I'm so bored of like my old same old setup. So I don't want anything to be where it already is. So I want to move literally every single piece of furniture if possible and have like a new place for it. So those are the two main goals that I'm going to try to achieve with today's transformation. Now let's talk about the theme. So I have two themes in mind. I'm still not sure what's going to look best. I think आज जब हम सब arrange करेंगे तब figure out हो जाएगा कि what looks better. But these are the two like ideas that I have in mind. So the first one is like very fun and colorful. So I do have like a teal couch, right? Like a emerald green teal couch. So I want to of course use that and add pops of orange because I think those two colors work really well together. So that's the first vibe that I have. It's very loud, it's very colorful, and I do really like it. The second one is a little bit more like timid and more sober. It's like a very classic neutral boho vibe, which I low-key love, but I don't know if I want to do it completely. Like I'm still like figuring it out. So that's the second vibe that I have in mind. Pause right now and comment down below what you think the theme of the living room is going to be. Just comment down below, don't cheat. I think with that I'm gonna go and get ready for the day, pick an outfit, do my makeup, and I'll see you in just a bit. I'm going to start moving around the furniture, but before that I'm going to roll the before so you can see what my living room looks like before we get started. The before is also actually quite cute, I'm not gonna lie, but I think I'm just ready for a new space, a new vibe. Furniture moving is completely done. It took me so long to figure out कि कहाँ क्या रखना है. I was so confused, but I think I love how everything's looking right now. I'm not showing you what it looks like. थोड़ा सा you can see, but I'll give you a final reveal end में. But now I am just waiting for my electrician to come in. He's going to drill a few holes for us, and we're gonna hang up really cute stuff to, you know, amp it up, and then we'll get on with the decor, which is like my favorite part, like decorating shelves and, you know, adding cutesy things here and there to make it look cute. So yeah, let's get on with it. Okay, so done with all the drilling work and already looks so good, but there's so much more to do yet. So as you can see, there's like a small little corner that's not completely ready yet. We still need to add a few elements, but basically I got these like green turf type things for the wall from IKEA back in November last year, and I was supposed to do this around the LED sign just to kind of amp it up. कभी हुआ नहीं, तो मुझे finally आज chance मिला और मुझे याद आया, actually मेरे ये plan में था ही नहीं, मुझे all of a sudden याद आया कि मेरे पास ये पड़ा है. So I was like, let's just add it in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take more like fake plants. So I have some like creepers, I have some really cute like monstera fake plants. So I'm going to add those in and kind of make it 3D and just make it more like boom in your eyes rather than like it being very flat and basic. And maybe I might add in like some cute pink flowers also because the LED is pink, so it might complement it. Let's see how it goes. This is what it looks like. I actually love the way it turned out. Very happy with this. Now let's move on to the next DIY. Okay, so the next DIY we're gonna conduct on our lampshade. So I got this lamp like 2 years ago from Amazon. I think 1500 rupees ka ya kuch tha, and it's a very nice, very pretty lampshade, but I want to amp it up. So going with like the boho theme, I got some lace. As a tassel wala lace. This is not actually the color that I wanted. I wanted like a white या फिर like an off-white. This is more like yellow. Weird सा yellow है, but I think I can make it work. I think it might look good with like the entire setup. So essentially what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this lace, stick it on the lampshade with some hot glue gun, and that's it. It's gonna look really cute, and we're going to kind of upgrade our already existing basic looking lamp. Quick tip, start from the bottom and work your way to the top. It's going to be so much more easier and the fringes aren't going to get in your way while you hot glue gun. So just do that. One thing that I've consciously done is I have not bought a lot of new stuff. I have bought a little bit here and there from Amazon. I'll link all of that of course in the description box below for you guys. But for the most part, I'm just going to be reusing things that I already have, the things that I've already bought years ago, and just like repurposing them. थोड़ा सा DIY भी करेंगे आज. So this is everything that I've bought. थोड़ा सा ये ज़्यादा नहीं, as you can see, and यहाँ पे एक फर्नीचर पीस है जो मैं completely आपको अभी नहीं दिखाऊंगी because that's like so beautiful. But when it comes to like decor, this is everything that I've bought. Okay, so we're also doing a little bit of painting work on this wall. So this is the entry wala wall. यहाँ से you enter. So this is the wall that I want to add some color to. So I'm just gonna color it half. Like itna. I'm not gonna color it. I have someone who's coming in, but itna half color karenge. And I'm also going to get this colored, the same color as the wall. As you can see, it's not in like the best condition. So this I got from Amazon for like 2,000 rupees 2 years ago, and it served me really well. But I think it's just time to like spruce it up. I'm gonna begin from the section right next to the door. So I'm gonna actually make sure to link the initial living room tour in the description box below so that you can see completely कि कैसा था. But अब we have a complete revamped version and I'm so happy with it. Let's start with this wall right here. So this wall used to be a plain white wall and ऐसे hats भी थे पहले, but I decided to add like a pop of like a terracotta peach sort of a color, and I think it just looks so nice, looks very boho. And other than that, we've just added a ladder right here, which I already had. I got it made from like a local carpenter. And then we have my bar cart from IKEA. ये मैं खाली रखती हूँ for me to keep all of my parcels, but that's basically it for this wall, and I think it's just such a great entry point. Moving left, we have my very pretty bookshelf. I love this bookshelf. The books are overflowing at the moment. I probably need to add like a few more shelves ऊपर, but it's kind of color coordinated. थोड़ा सा rainbow vibe है यहाँ पे. We have this beautiful lamp from Amazon. ये सब already पहले से था. यहाँ पे now what I've done differently is we've added this really comfortable like bed, almost गद्दा है ये actually, जिसका मैंने सिर्फ covering change करा दिया है, and I added these like colorful cushions right here just for that pop. But basically this just makes for a really nice comfy cozy reading corner almost. Let's move on to the next corner, which is very neutral, and actually it's one of my favorite corners in the entire house. So let's go. So this is the new space. This space used to be our living space. Like यहाँ पे sofa था, यहाँ पे pink chair थी, यहाँ पे this is like the main seating area. We've completely transformed it into like a work situation almost. So let's start with this corner right here. So we have the desk. We have our iMac also sitting right here, but we've created this really cute like greenery wali wall, so I can shoot here as well. I can just move the chair around and have like a really cute corner, but also we have the window right here, so I just feel really inspired to work here almost. And यहाँ पे we have some more cabinets sorry क्या बोलते हैं इसको, chest of drawers, which can also be used as desks. So यहाँ पे I usually sit here with my laptop. Aditya is sitting here. If we have some new people joining our team this month, then they can use this desk right here. यहाँ पे मैंने एक ये रखा है, क्या बोलते हैं इसको, like a jar of like full of water, and I'm gonna like start filling it up every single day to stay hydrated. And in this corner right here, now we've added Alex 9 drawers from IKEA. These used to sit in my walk-in. We brought them out here because I shoot most of like my beauty content out here, so it never made sense to have all of that stuff inside. अंदर जाके बाहर से अंदर, it was too chaotic. So we brought it out here, and it's just so comfortable. I'm so glad I did this. Created like a cute corner right here. I have my brushes, my mirror, just like cute stuff right here. And then I also have this cute little like ottoman stool thing right here, so it's very convenient for me to like open my drawers, pull out my stuff. So yeah, that's this corner. Next to the stool, we've added this trunk right here. Now this trunk also used to sit inside andar ke bedroom mein, which made no sense. Basically, this stores all of our samples for Simba and Skion. So it just made a lot more sense to have it here. I'm just so glad that with this makeover, we've made everything a lot more like practical and everything's just more accessible, I guess. So yeah, this is the end to our very neutral corner. With that, I think we can move on to my most favorite corner in this living room. It's like the accent piece almost. It's a very cozy and very comfy living space, and it has like all of my boho dreams right there. So let's go and check it out. And this is what I was talking to you guys about. I honestly love spending time here. It just makes me feel very like homey, and I feel like after like a long day of working, I just want to sit here and maybe watch something on my TV, not my TV, on my laptop, or read a book. I haven't done that yet, but I do want to do that, and it just gives me such nice cozy vibes. We also have the lamp which we've DIY'd. It's not complete by the way. Features say it's like completely ruined, but that's because I ran out of lace. I'll complete it soon. But I think this just gave it like a really nice revamp, and it's again very boho. Then right here we have a new launch from Simba. So these are our baskets, our fringe baskets. They also have like a cute pom-pom right here. I just have all of my extra cushions in here. You can store like blankets in here. You can also store like plants. Like you can use this kind of like a plant holder also. But I just use it for all of my cushions. Then we have another like poof if people want to like sit on it or put their feet on top. Then we have my original couch, जो हमेशा से था, the beautiful emerald green couch. Everyone asks me where I got it from. It's custom made. I got it made from like a local carpenter for like 20,000 rupees or something like that 2 years ago. And then यहाँ पे we have the shelf. Now this shelf was वो side पे यहाँ पे मैं लेकर आ गई, and then we've added some paintings. Now this one I just like made myself, painted quickly, as you guys saw earlier. And then we have these two paintings right here, which I feel like I could have easily just like made myself, but I got them from Amazon. I'll link them down for you guys. Now for the actual couch, we just have some like cute cushions. All of them are from Amazon. Ye corner mein we have some like Pampers, because like boho is equal to Pampers. Now, let's talk about this situation right here. I love this chair. This is actually the only thing, like big thing that I bought for this makeover. So this is a peacock chair. Very beautiful. From the same vendor, we also got this cane ka hanging. You could add in a bulb, but I just don't have an electric connection, so I'm just hanging it just for funsies. And then at the back we have beautiful boho macrames again from Amazon. Everything's honestly from Amazon. Again another chair which is from Amazon. The table which is again from Amazon. The rug which is from Amazon. Literally everything's from Amazon right here. Moving on to actually the last piece that we have right here, which is this shelf that I have from IKEA. Basically मैंने वही सब same pieces use किए last time जैसे ही, सिर्फ थोड़े से like pops of terracotta डाले हैं just to tie the whole thing together, but it's very neutral and has like accents of gold for the most part. यहाँ पे we have this little stool which I got free with my peacock chair. So we have the stool right here which goes यहाँ पे अंदर, जब काम नहीं होता है जब जरूरत पड़ती है we keep it here, and then I just have my crystals and my candles. That's basically it. And yeah, with that we end today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this 24-hour makeover. I think I did a pretty good job. Of course, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Everything that I've spoken about in today's video, I'll try and link in the description box below, all the Amazon links, and for example ये chair भी कहाँ से ली उसका भी मैं address नीचे डाल दूँगी. So I think with that we're gonna end today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We're so close to 500k. Please do subscribe and like this video. Follow me on my Instagram. Follow Simba Lifestyle. Follow Skion, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.